handgun, people. I'll give these cops a donut. I thought they did pretty good. Some people call these jump out vans or jump out cops. TAS, when I was working for Vallejo and we jumped out a van, most of the people in the area would start yelling, TAS, TAS, for task force, because they knew we were working either undercover buys or weapons, whatever. These guys are going after a convicted felon. They were surveilling him, and they were going to take him into custody. So I think they did a good job. I got no problem with this one, but let's see if I'm wrong in the comments. Here we go.
2022, the Tucson Police Department Special Weapons and Tactics Team, SWAT, were conducting surveillance on Francisco Galarza, 49-year-old male, in relation to active felony arrest warrants for home invasion and bank robbery.
Okay, so home invasion and bank robbery are two pretty serious things. They're usually using guns. It's usually involve violence, taking advantage of people, stealing, usually force or fear. So these are two what are considered violent felonies.
Oh, he's out. He's out.
Say when.
Take him here. Take him here.
Okay. The one thing I will say they kind of messed up on is the guy challenged him a little far away, which gave him an opportunity to run. They could have hit him in the back of the head and tackled him without ever saying a word, and I'd have probably been okay with that. That's probably the way my team would have done it. We wouldn't have said shit till we grabbed him, went hands on. Because they warn him, he's able to get a gun out.
Please get down! Please get down! Get down!
So he's immediately going for his gun right there. So he is definitely in his yellow zone, ready always for action. I almost think his hand might be on his gun before.
Please get down! Please get down! Get down! Get down! Run out!
Guns out.
Go!
So I kind of like the guy, not because he's a violent dude and he went after people, because usually they're punks and wimps. But this guy decided to go down with a fight, pulled a gun, and was going to shoot it out. So, I mean, I'll give him props for that. But most of these guys are punks, and they just pick on easy predators and have no redeeming qualities. But I think they slow it down here.
The following footage has been slowed down and paused to highlight relevant information.
Take him here. Take him here. Please get down! Please get down! Get down! Get down! Run out!
Man, he gets that gun out fast. Ditches the bag. Just can't get his finger on the trigger. So they could have shot there. They couldn't because the dog was on him. He was going to kill the dog. People will say that you shouldn't shoot him to protect a dog. Under normal circumstances, I would say yes, but he's a violent felon and he's armed and you're trying to take him into custody. Even if you let him shoot the dog and wait for him to point a gun at you, I think that's an unnecessary risk. Like I said, you can shoot a bank robber in the back of the head if he's robbing a bank. He's got the gun pointed at the teller. You're standing behind him. Pull your gun out and pop him right in the head. Because he's got that person in front of you in danger. And all these cops are in danger of getting shot when he pulls out a gun as a fleeing felon. So when I first heard that, hey, can they kill a guy and use deadly force to protect a dog? My initial response was, no. I don't think they can shoot him to kill a dog. However, it is a very short walk from an armed suspect that's a danger to officers and the canine handler if he's pulling a gun and shooting a dog. So I'm okay with this. I think the cops did a good job, and I'm going to give them a donut on this one. And I'll probably get some hate, but whatever. Gun flies out. Almost like a bullet hit it, huh? The way that gun flew, you'd almost think a bullet hit it. I'm glad that the SWAT team is wearing body cam. For a while, detectives and people didn't wear body cams and we never had video footage. The fact that we have video footage when the cops did good tells me there's video footage when the cops do bad that we're not seeing. So these guys really got up on it. This guy really couldn't take a shot. These two long guns were right on top of him. No chance of missing, backstop. These guys are definitely meat eaters, and they went right to it. And
in Mr. Galarza's possession was a Taurus G3 9mm semi-automatic. It was recovered with ammunition in the magazine and 1 round in the chamber.
Yep.
The decedent in this incident is 49-year-old Francisco Galarza.
Oh, I wonder where they got this picture of him before he was shot. Oh, this must have been from one of his previous 47 arrests. Earning a donut on this one for me. All right.
In the magazine.
We'll end that there.